Garlic Sailfish Stew or Garlic Sailfish Bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the sailfish recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fish recipes and one of the most unique of the seafood recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the bowl recipes and one of the most unique of the stew recipes. Today we're going to make garlic sailfish stew. We have taken 100 grams of sailfish which we have taken off and cut into nice cubes. Put in the ground mixture of 1 chili, 1 spoon of fennel, 15 grams of ginger, 15 grams of garlic, and 1 spoon of fennel seeds. Ground together. Mix. We put in salt in the mixture too. Mix thoroughly. Mix the ground mixture thoroughly with the sailfish pieces. And let the mixture rest in the marinade for 1 hour. Mix so that it's nicely incorporated with the sailfish meat. Ingredients are 3 to 4 sprigs of curry leaves, 10 to 15 shallots, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 20 cloves of garlic cut into pieces, 15 grams of ginger. Pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the garlic. Saute. Put in the shallot. Saute. on Saute. Put in the onion, salt, caraway salt mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Put in the curry leaves. Salt. Parsley salt. Now put in the sailfish pieces, which we marinated. Pour in 150 to 200 ml of water. Mix. Put in salt to taste. Put in some curry leaves. Mix and let this mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 15 to 20 minutes. Now the garlic sailfish bowl is ready. Can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final. Garlic sailfish bowl or garlic sailfish stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the fish recipes and one of the most unique of the sailfish recipes and one of the most delicious of the seafood recipes and one of the most unique of the bowl recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the stew recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.